nigga made it from the college of dicks. Nigga niggas ready to get their chance and very dirty. You heard take this ass. That's Nelly Nunn Baddies. They have a collaboration. Oh hell no! I ain't got no chaser. She's so prepared. Oh, you know what? Look, you stupid.
This one. This like a little. That's it.
I do it, yeah.
Yeah.
Back on your nigga, he beat my coochie up. Wow. I'm his favorite bitch. You a lame bro.
And I know most people that have bad situations with their mamas, but I'm not talking to y'all. I'm talking to the ones that got good relationship. I don't want to hear nothing negative.
This a freak mix.
Yeah!
Freak mix 2025.
I got somewhere to be, little baby.
I'm important.
It's popping, y'all. So I got the viral TikTok perfume, and y'all, it is fire. Okay, fire. I'm finna open it.
Well, I'm just letting you get about 10 minutes.
Made it out here. I definitely changed my outfit. Some more comfortable, because if y'all remember from last year, this young was cold and it took too damn long. So I had to get some comfortable. My camera looks so dirty. I'll fix it. And I can't bring my camera, so I didn't bring my camera. The line is long as hell, y'all. Gift bag. What's in there? See what it feel like.
It need to be something. I see a lot of it.
Brooke. We outside with it.
We outside.
Period. Concert.
What you say? Then I'm out of there. That she ain't coming for the team. Get her out of there. Yeah. Bro, that page.
Yeah, the concert over. Where are they at? Oh, there it is. Concert over, y'all. Where? You see it, Big Ben. What's up? What's Papa JT gang? It is Sunday. Oh, my camera look a little. But yeah, it's Sunday. I look toe up. I already got my shower done for the day, but I look toe up right now, y'all, because we had so much fun last night. And as well, y'all, it was so much going on at the damn concert, y'all. It's so funny, but y'all, we up. We had Krispy Kreme. My camera trying to focus on me and my friend at the same time. Focus on me. But we had Krispy Kreme and the light is on, so period. But we just getting some coffee and some donuts. We gonna, I don't know what we finna do. Babe, he just make the itinerary. I just put my clothes on and go. But we do got a pop-up that we gotta go to today. But I think that's a little bit later. So right now we just vibing out. I'm trying to think, is there anything that went on last night that I need to show y'all? Besides my feet fucking hurting last night, y'all. My feet was hurting so motherfucking bad because the floor that they have is still a cement floor. And like it was straight cement. And that shit hurt. That shit hurt like a motherfucker. But overall, the concert was nice as hell. I seen this little Jamaican rapper singer. I hope he's Jamaican and I'm not saying it right. But he gotta be, because he said Bumba. Is it Bumba Clot? Yeah. He said this. So that's Jamaican, right?
Yeah, Bumba Clot.
Yeah, that's Jamaican. What does that mean?
First I thought it was a cussing word.
I thought it was like the fuck or something. Okay, let me stop. Can y'all please tell me what they mean? And don't talk about me. Yeah, I be saying it and I should know, but it's a lot of shit that people say that they don't know. So please tell me what that mean, y'all.
This get me too glad.
But yeah, y'all. So yeah, tell me what they mean at the bottom. What they mean. Well, by the time y'all tell me, I'm probably look it up. But if you know, let me know. But yeah, y'all, he was terrific. Performance was wow. Wow, throwing water, getting down, very freaky, absolutely. Then there was this other girl, Shanice. I might be saying it incorrectly, but I show all their pictures and videos you've been seeing about Ian, but she was wonderful. She can sing and everything. Loved her. Who else? What's another one of the performers they had? Shimmy, whatever his name is. Yeah. I only know one song by him that for me with that Brent Fires.
Girl, it means fuck. Like, fuck.
I'm
a clot.
No way, it means fuck.
Like, it means
I know they ain't got
something in a way.
Like, I'm pretty sure, I know like in other countries they don't use the same
shock way.
Oh. So if I'm like, when they say bumba, how you say it?
Bumba clot.
Bumba clot. They were like, they saying it like, damn, you can say it like fuck.
Yeah.
Oh. So we use fuck in a different way than they use fuck, basically. Yeah. Never knew that. Well, we found out what it means. Wow, okay. So we be just saying this stuff out loud. That's how you know Americans just be doing stuff, because we don't know what the hell we be saying. And be saying this in front of folks, and we over here cussing like hell. That's crazy. Never knew that. But what else? Who else we seen? Kodak came out. Absolutely loved it. That was my first time seeing Kodak in person. Absolutely love it. My friend, she absolutely loved Kodak. But he was wonderful. I ain't even finna lie. I feel like he might have ended his performance early because everybody wanted to be a groupie all up on him. He wasn't able to perform because, I mean, he was performing. He was going from interacting with the people, like, and everything. I think somebody gave him, like, this little flag-like, and it had somebody's face on. I couldn't see. He even took it, danced with it and all that. He's a very good performer. I will say, from what I've seen, he might be on, you know, on substance, but I will say, I mean, I feel like me personally, like I was telling my friend, I feel like me personally, I don't feel like he's messed up in the head drug wise. I feel like people just record you at your bad moment. That's like when you drunk or when you under the influence of anything. I mean, you gonna react to it. Come on now. But my thing is, you record him at his bad moment. Because me personally, I feel like he might have been drunk or high or something. But I mean, it's every performer. You know what I'm saying? But when I say high, I don't think it was marijuana. It could have been anything. But he gave a hell of a performance. And then I did read an interview one time from him where he was saying that he's very shy as far as like he gets anxiety. And I'm not saying for that to cope, but everybody have their own reason to cope. I mean, way to cope. I ain't here to judge nobody because I got my own reason. And the next probably look at it like, you don't need to do that. Mind your motherfucking business. But I think he did wonderful. I think he's a great performer and everything. Oh, Antonio Brown, y'all, let me tell you. He's my favorite football player, but the shit that he pulled last night, absolutely not. Absolutely not. That shit there was insane. You are great on the field, but performing, no. And it was giving groupie. Like, he was trying to be all up there with Kodak. Sir, we don't need you to be trying to get no B-rolls of you with Kodak. You stay in Miami. Why we ain't never seen you with this man before? Exactly. But I just want to open a blog, talk to y'all about that. I think it's just about everything, y'all. I'm supposed to see Jayla today from Baddies, so hopefully I get a picture with her. That's the game. But yeah, I guess I'll chit chat with y'all.
I don't wanna be side. It's your girl, sexy red. Don't trust me.
I don't know where it is, but I just need like a jacket.
So cute.
I ain't stopping at no light. You want me about? I'm trying to get it taken like I love my life.
Get something to eat. I could use my camera, but oh well. We came to this spot called Skinny Lou. This camera, the view is ugly, baby. It's just these ugly lights. Damn, you almost dropped your phone. I take back here.
Here we go.
Driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road on the tears I cried. Same carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my
Right on the shuttle. And what time is it? And it's like 3:53 in the morning. I think our flight don't take off till like 5:15. So I'll talk to y'all once we get ready. Alright, y'all, we made it to the airport, y'all. And pre-checkout line was so damn long, it was crazy as shit. But they now just started with line. It was wrapped around all over here, but now we're good. But I'm trying to see what Babe doing, because we gotta check in our bags. As you see, it's still a little long. But we gotta check in our bags. And it like it's a long ass line too. But luckily we got here in time. It's like 4 or 5. And thing doesn't take off to 5:15, so we still good. Because if it take off at 5:15, they give you 30-45 minutes before boarding and stuff. So we still good. Thank God we came on time because it is packed. And then the crazy part is, these folks didn't even start the security check until 4 o'clock. What type of shit is that for people that got stuff at 5 and stuff? You know what I mean? That's crazy. In Nashville, they do it at 3 o'clock. But whatever, y'all. I'm just happy to get home to see my baby, y'all. This trip was so fucking lit. I'm not even gonna lie. It was so lit. I'm so tired right now. I have this plain Jane. I meant to bring my white socks, but I got my black socks. At least I got some socks because I'm not touching this dirty floor on my bare feet. I done it once before, but I'll never do it again. I swear. But at least I got my socks, so I can go ahead and go through. But I'll check back in with y'all because as you see, the line is going down, so that means they're moving straight through. And we usually don't have no problem here anyways, but I'll check back in with y'all.
Heard about my past, things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know what's on your mind, you think I'm doing wrong. Can I say what is real? You're the only one that tried me talking crazy. I need you all in my space, but need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can't check in with you. I'd put a string of pearls right in your hand.
And we have made it to the car. I'm high, I'm sweaty. But yeah, we made it to the car. We finna get ready and get a little gas, you know what I'm saying? Then after we get the gas, we get on the road. Then we gotta go get my baby because it's 8:07. And Bobby 8:07 is 2 hours away. He probably won't get home till like 10 something. So my dad's gonna take him to work with him, which he said my baby gonna work. Trying to get everything situated in because they put this big ass speaker in the car and then we got no truck room. But I'll check back in with y'all. I'm check in with y'all now. And I'm off of work, Bae's off of work. So we're gonna be chilling today because this is what it looks like. Terrible. So I'll check back in with y'all.
Your shit, face on pretty, stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these rappers, they got the like none. Cause they all think I got the type one. Make one take it, I got the right one.